Guys, this is Christy. I know I did 2 videos already. This is my third one. And I'm back with this slime. See, this summer edition. See, so good, so it might not look like slime. I'm going to show you this.
We do my hair sometime next week. I'll just get back.
It came out, you see?
Where's that? I know it.
Okay, guys,
I ain't feeling it today. Look, I'm way back. I'll be up sitting up here. I'm going to try to take it back. I sit over here trying to get some air first. Yep, exactly. Yeah, all right, you do the cigarettes? Sorry, I called you that time.
Alright, so I'm back.
What is it, the Mystic 100s or 120s? The 120 blue. They call Mystic, all right? Huh? Yeah, tell them wait till liquor store or something. I don't know if you pick it up first or two. Yeah, let me get to the seat. All right, now.
This smells good. I don't know. So I'll just get this.